That's what they go give us down the community centre the other day. There's the 2 keys. Looks good on paper. Copper says to me, oh, it's got a lifetime guarantee, you won't break this fucker. Well, I think it's just a piece of shit, if I'm honest. On there. It's locked. Key comes out. Dash the key. Right. Let's get this in here. Right. Try not to block it too much from your hand. And there we go. Fucking easy. Piece of piss. Looks good. Well, it's about waterproof, that's about it. It's not exactly unstoppable. So shove it up your arse, keep it your brick. Awesome.
That's it, I'm through.